Hi, welcome to the Engineering Design Lab. Here, Utah State students and others can 3D print their projects and hobbies. We're excited to 3D print with you. These are our printers. They are very expensive and capable printers.
This is the Fortis. It prints in ABS plastic. The Fortis works like a hot glue gun. The material is heated up to a high temperature and squirted out in layers, and that's how your print is built.
This is the Connex 3D printer. It prints in an acrylic-based material and in a rubber-like material. The Connex works like an ink printer. First it sprays out small dots, then flattens them with a roller. Then a UV light cures the material to harden it. The printer repeats this process until the print is built up.
They can print small, intricate parts, but that doesn't mean it's smart to print just anything. We've compiled a few tips to help you design a part that's ready for printing.
We need to design smart so we can ensure our prints won't break too easily. If you design a small, thin cylinder to print, it will break very easily. This cylinder is 1.5 millimeters thick, and as you can see, it broke very easily. As you are designing, analyze what areas or aspects of the print would be most likely to break and try to avoid those points of failure. Anything that is long and skinny will need to be carefully constructed, so keep in mind the thicker the better. Check out this print. Overall, everything looks pretty good, but you can see the broken legs. We can easily scale your part up or down, but be careful because a thin arm when scaled down becomes even thinner. This example shows the same file of a figurine printed in 3 different materials. The 2 on the left are rigid. The one on the right is a mixture of Agilis and rigid. As you can see, the added Agilis to the part on the right helps prevent breaking. When pressure is applied, the part bounces back like rubber. On the rigid parts, when pressure is applied, the parts broke off. Support material is printed along with your part to help build in areas that have no material. But you have to pay for support material. It's actually more expensive than regular material, so keep that in mind. If you are wanting to create a sphere, for example, you may think that having the inside hollow will save money, but that's not true, because it will just have to fill with support material. Be careful if you're adding text or numbers to your 3D print. If they extend out from the print and they're very thin, it's likely they'll break off. If they're very small and cut into the print, depending on the printer, it's likely the resolution will not be optimal.
The lab is open Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., and Fridays, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Call us anytime we're open at 435-797-7898 or email us at 3dprinting@usu.edu. And check out our website, 3dprinting.usu.edu. Thank you for listening. We hope to see you in the lab. And as always, go Aggies!